Hi, today I'm going to explain about the development task which I did, the task 2. So here I created a virtual agent where user can input and with the help of LLM, the user can generate a knowledge article. Let me start with the demo. Let me start a new conversation. I've created a topic called password reset. So it is asking for the topic. Let me give password reset. Let me make the category as IT. Now it hits the Gemini API to get the response from it based on the given input. So now we can just go through it and we can see, are there any other changes to be done? For example, let's remove the last updated. I'm not satisfied, so the instruction remove last updated. So based on the instruction and the existing response, it will once again hit the. Now if you see, the last updated went away. Basically we removed it, and then now it asks for, now is satisfied or not. The user is satisfied when he is clicking. It will create the knowledge article. If else, it will once again go on a loop, like we can just refine it on and on. So basically once we are satisfied, it creates. I'll show that. So 15, so here it is. So once we are publishing it, so right now from the draft state it moved to review state. Consider that the approver has approved. Okay, it is approved. I'll show the notification. Yeah, so first it triggered the email to the approver, Bernard Levy. It is an out of box email notification, whereas this one is triggered to the user. Basically, since I've logged in through the admin user account, it triggered the email to the admin account stating that the KB is approved once the approver is approved. So I've created using business rule. I've created this email notification to the user using business rule, and yeah, pretty much that is the overall demo. Now let me show you the virtual agent flow. So I'm getting the user input and storing it in a script variable just to future proof if there are any other modification for the further development which we can do based on it. And same applies for the user input category as well. We are storing it, and then we are making a API call to Gemini. I created a REST message. I'll show that. So this is a REST message which I have created, and basically we don't have authentication for it, and I created a post method, and this is the endpoint for it, and then this is the content which we'll be passing. The prompt will be the prompt which we are passing in. And yeah, once the API, once the REST message is responding with a response, we're just using it and storing it in the article content script variable, and then we are showing it in the virtual agent You have seen that, right? I'll show that once again. So here you are seeing the response, right? Basically it is from that variable, and then it will be prompting whether are we satisfied or not. If satisfied, it directly creates a knowledge article in draft state, and will be showing the knowledge article record in a card format, something like this. And going forward, if the user is not satisfied, then it will be asking what change do you need. It will be storing the instruction which is given by the user, and it changes the um, draft. Basically it stores the draft. Basically it makes the Gemini API call and store it in the article content with the new content, and once again it shows the response. It will be asking whether are we satisfied or not. If satisfied, it directly goes to draft state, and then I'll be showing the card. So pretty much this is the explanation and demo for the task 2. Thank you so much.